Okay guys, this hopefully should be the last part. Let's try and get through it. So, next we have the It's a Mood palette from Colourpop. I recently tried this one out and I think it's absolutely stunning, so that can stay. We have the AM to PM palette from P. Louise. So gorgeous. My Michaela and P. Louise one, once again, obsessed. I have this one. This is the Can I Have a Taste? These palettes are so big, but I love them so much. And then we also have the Blend Away 2022 palette, which is, it's like, they're not even like, they're too big to even fit. But yeah, I love these. Like I said in the last video, I'm not going to be getting rid of any of my P. Louise palettes. I'm sorry, I just can't. This is the If Looks Could Chill. This is like one of the, what do you call it, like the two-tiered palettes. This came out like Christmas last year and oh, it's so pretty that I cannot. Then we have the Money Shot, which looks like this. That's the bottom row. And then the top row. Oh, so pretty. Mind you, I feel like I'm missing one of the, I'm missing a P. Louise palette. Where is it? I don't know how I could possibly be missing a P. Louise palette when they're like such big palettes, but never mind, I know where it is, don't worry. Okay, this is another one of the You Give Me Butterflies palettes. This is in Sparkle Spells, so pretty. This is the Slice Babe, You're a Slice of Perfection palette, so cute. We have the Be Perfect Carnival Antidote palette. This one is really pretty. I actually really like this. I feel like I've not used this nowhere near enough. I need to like start doing more eyeshadow, to be honest. And then this is the Carnival Love Tahiti palette, and I love this one so much. This is gonna get a workout in I was gonna say Christmas time, in Halloween time. So I swear I've also got another Carnival palette. Oh, it's in my, working my way through my makeup collection. Don't stress. This is the Glamlight Chocolate Martini palette, and I do think it's really cute, but I'm honestly going to declutter it. It's a cute palette, but it's also just like not one that like I open and I'm like, oh my god. So it's stunning, don't get me wrong. I love a good Glamlight shadow, but I am going to get rid of that one. I'm also going to get rid of the She Glam and Care Bears. I think it's such a cute palette, I honestly do, but it's not something I would have picked. Like, I only bought it to like review the collection kind of thing, and there's no point holding on to it and letting it go bad in my collection or whatever. Like, it's so cute, but I just don't need it, and it's not really a colour story that appeals to me like heaps. This is the Colourpop Lucky Penny palette, and I think I'm going to pass this one along as well. Like, don't get me wrong, it's really pretty, but I feel like I have a lot of these shadows and like shades, and I don't need them. I have so many Colourpop palettes. This is Aura and Out, which is so pretty, so cute. I honestly don't need this one either, but I'm going to keep it because it's green and I can't part with it. This is the Lost in Love from Colourpop. This is the one they came out with this year for Valentine's Day. So pretty. Glamlight and Ghostfaced. Glamlight and Ghostface. Obsessed, so pretty. This is the Michaela palette. Yeah, that's really pretty. I do really like this. The blues and the purples and the greens together just look really appealing. So this is the Colourpop 1111 palette, and I really enjoy this one as well. Like, that's just so aesthetically pleasing to me. We have Nude Mood and Blush Crush. I honestly think, I know that I said I was going to keep making more. I'm just trying to think. I think I'm going to actually declutter Making Mores, to be honest, because I've got these and I feel like they're so similar, but I feel like I like these colour stories just a little bit more. This is the She Glam and Rick and Morty palette. I really want to use this shade. Like, oh, that's so pretty. I think, unfortunately, once again, I'm going to pass this along. I'd love to keep it because I think it's actually really cool. Like, I love the packaging and everything like that. And, like, there's a couple of shades in here, like this one and this one, that is so pretty. But it's just not something I'm going to reach for. Once again, I only kind of bought it to review the collection. And, yeah, I'm not really going to reach for it. So, I am going to get rid of that one. This is Glamlight and Scooby-Doo. How cool is this? I love this, so pretty. It's so cute. It's like each row is like one of the characters, and I just think that's such like a cool kind of way to do it. But yeah, anyway, love that. That can stay. This is Kylie, You're So Money Baby. That shade needs to go in the bin. I honestly do kind of like this palette, but I also don't know if the only reason I like it is because of this green. Like, I feel like if that green was in there, I'd even think twice. I honestly think I'm going to pass that one along as well. Like, I love this green shade, I do, but like I said, I feel like I can't hang on to a whole palette just for one shade, so I do think it is a really cool palette though. Heaps of Sweets from XO Beauty. I really wanted to fall in love with this palette, like I did, and I've kept it for so long because I really love XO. Like, there are some really nice colours in here, but I'm going to pass it along, I think, because I just don't reach for it. I honestly didn't even know I still had it, so. This is Glamlight. This is the Camp Crystal Lake palette. So cool. That can stay. The CEO, Get Yourself in Check. I reckon I'm honestly going to take this one when I go away. So I'm excited about that. The Huda Beauty Toffee Browns. I'll keep it for now. Honestly, I probably can't. I wish I honestly put this one in a giveaway. Because, like, don't get me wrong, it's stunning. But I didn't need it. I didn't need it. Anyway, I've got it now, so. Harry Potter and She Glam. I don't need it, do I? I just don't. Like, it's really cute, but I just don't. We have the Colourpop Wild Nothing, I love. And then we have the Freddy Krueger palette, which is also love. Okay, that is all of the eyeshadow palettes. I didn't do that great, I feel like. We still got rid of a few. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So not too bad. Honestly, my eyeshadow palettes don't even fit in the drawers right now. I talked about this like at the start of the series, but when I get back from like our trip, we're going away soon, and when we get back from that, I'm planning on like redoing the studio and getting new storage and things like that. So I'm just gonna try and shove the palettes away as best as I can. Yeah, so I quickly, yeah, we'll put this stuff away and then I'll quickly go through. I've got a box of makeup here that I just need to, I need to write down product details, that's why I still got it here. So I've got this box of makeup here, and then I've got makeup on my desk that I'll put in here as well, and then we can go through that. I'm going to be honest, I don't think any of that will really be getting decluttered. There shouldn't be too much anyway, but we'll just go through it just to make sure. And yeah, so we'll go and yeah, put eyeshadow palettes and stuff away now, and then we'll go through the last bit of makeup. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess in the eyeshadow palette drawers, but like I said, that's a problem for when I get back from the holiday. I just am running out of storage, so I think it's about time that I have an upgrade in the room anyway. But now we're going to go through everything that was on my desk, and like I said, I don't think there'll be a lot of decluttering here, but anyway. So I've got a couple of things from MCO Beauty. We have the Fruity Lips Hydrating Oil in Watermelon. We also have this Peptide Lip Treatment in Buttercream. I really enjoy this. And the MCO Lip Butter in Birthday Cake. They need to go like in the bathroom or like in my bag at work and whatever. Got a couple of concealers. The Colourpop Pretty Fresh Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer and the Kylie Cosmetics Power Plush Longwear Concealer. All of those are going to stay. A couple of setting sprays, the No Filter one from Colourpop and also the P. Louise Ready Set Slay. They're going to stay along with my Rick and Morty and Glamlight setting spray. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Power Plush Longwear Foundation. I still don't know how I feel about it. I need to like keep using it, and yeah. This is the Pixie Flawless Beauty Primer. I honestly don't like entirely what I think of that. Like it's okay, but these are going to be a declutter. These are the Scooby-Doo and Glamlight Haunted Lashes, and guys, I have used these to death. They look mangy as. Honestly, I could probably still get a couple of uses out of them if I just wash them with like some micellar water and stuff, but I'm just, you know, I've got a lot of new lashes and stuff, and yeah, but these lasted so long and I kind of don't want to get rid of them because how cute is the packaging, like it's so sweet, but yeah, they need to go. I do love Glamlight lashes, they make really nice lashes, so it's a shame that you can't get these ones anymore, but that's fine. This is the P. Louise Unlock Your Creativity palette. How cute is it? Like, that's one side and then that's the other side. It's so cute, I love that, and you can like lock it and unlock it and stuff. The Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. I actually love these so much. This is so old. Needs to go in the bin, but I can't part with it yet. The P. Louise Bake Your Move palette. So pretty. It's like this highlighting palette. Once again, I'm never going to be able to use all of the shades in it, but that'd make like a nice eyeshadow topper or something like that. But anyway. I feel like this... I'm going to get rid of this. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume. Honestly, it still performs alright, but it's old and it needs to go. I am, however, going to keep the e.l.f. Big Mood because this is still like relatively new. Like I got it like within like the last year or whatever, which is still bad for mascara, but anyway. Have the Kylie lip liner in 808. And yeah, I think that's a really pretty shade. Kylie bronzer in Khaki. Love it. Love this so much. It's the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And I also love this, the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Oh, obsessed. These are getting too close to my like declutter pile, so I need to move them. P. Louise Cheek of It blush in Peach of My Heart. The Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and the MCO Beauty Glow Lip Balm in Watermelon. I'll keep all of those. More P. Louise palettes. This is the All I See Is Signs. And it's really pretty. Also, I have no idea where this is going to go because I just filled up all of my drawers. So, same with this, the Wedding Wish XL palette. I really wish that I could take that mirror out because it kind of like stresses me that like it's like smashed. Don't want to get into the eyeshadows. In saying that, it still has the like the plastic cover on it, so hopefully it should like keep the little pieces contained. But anyway, I love this palette, so pretty. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. Zoeva foundation, Colourpop foundation. This needs to go in the bin. This was one of the very first things I ever bought. I think this was from my very first order at Mecca. I bought this, and I also bought a pair of lashes, and I also bought the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. But it's so close to being done that I need to use it until it's done. So I'm going to actually leave that one on the desk so that I use it. This is the Ghost Face and Glamlight highlighter duo. So cool. Love it. So pretty. We have a lip liner from Colourpop. This is in BFF3. This is one of my favourite shades. It's so pretty. The Anastasia liquid liner. Is this still... Yep. Great. The Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Glamlight and Ghost Face liquid liner. Great. So I've got a couple of P. Louise bases. I have Rumour 02 and Rumour 01. This is the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation and also the Too Faced Sweethearts Bronzer. I love this so much. They don't make this anymore, which is so sad. This is also really old, but not letting go of that. This is the P. Louise Wispy Workshop Eyelash Trio. I like these, but I hate how like once they're off, like they don't stay contained, like, you know what I mean, like the eyelashes are all floating about in there. Pixie Large Lash Mascara. I think that one's still kind of new, I think, so I'm going to keep it. But I am going to get rid of my Scooby-Doo and Glamlight Mascara because this is old now. It's starting to get really dried up. This is the Glamlight and Ghost Face lipstick. It's so pretty and I love it. And also the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer, MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder, the Benefit Brow Pomade in 3. I've got a Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Moonlight Cowboy, Jelly Gloss in Melon Crush, a Cheek of It from Pilouise in Baked Biscuit, and last but not least we have the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So, I only got rid of 3 things that time, and that was the lashes and the 2 mascaras, which honestly I kind of, like, yeah, I knew that that was kind of going to be the case because this is all stuff that's on my desk, obviously stuff that like I've been using recently. So that is the end of our declutter series. All that's left to do now is lip products, and like I said, I'm just gonna do that as like a swatching, like a lip swatch video. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I really hope you enjoyed them, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!